to Sparks CH channel. Today we are going to see the introduction to Python. You know the Python is one of the language where have a huge demand in the market because very simple language. Whoever want to learn, whether the people having a computer knowledge or whatever they have technical background of CSE, engineering or ME, MCA or not, whatever there, who are having some knowledge, they can easily learn Python. The world market or today in India also the IT market saying Python is the one of the top level program language and huge demand and huge salary paying for them also, and Java may be second place like that. We go to the class here. So today we are going to see what is Python and some of the features of Python and Python version, what are the Python versions currently going on, and compare with Java and Python some points, and finally the top notch companies or website who are following the Python concept today like that. So what is Python? Python is a popular programming language. It was created by Guido van Rossum and released in 1991. So it is a language where developed in 1991 and popular and start to become popular nowadays only for past few years. Okay, now some of the features of Python program language are that is readable, that is cross-platform and memory management and easy to learn. Features of Python like that, sir. Then large standard library, huge support of library functions, which be free to download, and open source we can download, and wherever we want we can any operating system install, and exception handling. So some of the points we discuss here. So there is readable, that means Python is a very readable language. There is no complicated, simple English word will be there. Any syntax or anything can catch easily. Then easy to learn, that means learning Python is easy as this is an expressive and high level program language, which means it is easy to understand the language and thus easy to learn. So very simple English words and simple syntax is there compared to other C and C++, Java and like that. Very easy and class platform. Why they are saying is because Python is available and can run on various operating systems such as Mac, Windows, Linux, Unix and etc. This makes it clear it is a cross platform and portable language. So like that will be the open source. Python is a open source language. It's a open source programming language. Open source. Python is a open source programming language. Here I want to convey some information here. Class platform in the sense what once you install the Python, you can Python ID or anything you can install easy in the Windows and start execute the program. Even Linux also we can save the programs. One of the familiar scripting program language. What you can means you can just type the program and save the program with the .py, and we can run in the Linux or Unix environment also. It's easy. And open source is a open source program language, free of cost. You can download the recent versions of Python ID and anything, Python ID or IDLE. Then large standard library. So compared to other languages, the Python supports and comes with a large standard library that has some handy codes and functions which can be used while writing code in Python. So when you write some code or something, there will be a library, inbuilt library, and functions will be inbuilt. Functions will help to write the program and complete the task. So if you, for example, you have 20-line program, when I use this kind of library and codes, library built-in functions, etc., we can reduce the coding. Maybe within 5 or 7 lines, you can complete the given task and given program. That's the major advantage of large standard library. Lot of functions and library functions inbuilt with the Python. It's a big reason to successful in the market. Then free. Python is free to download and use. I just told you. That means you can download it for free and use it in your application. So what are the applications you want to develop? You can develop and use whenever you want. You can use the Python. You can easily do it. And supports exception handling. That means Python supports exception handling, which means we can write less error prone code and can test various scenarios that can cause an exception later on. So this is a term some of you don't know, some of you know who are now Java and C++ like that. Say exception handling in the sense what generally you are writing the code means you may get some error or not like that. We can see with the help of exception you can solve the given problem. So you can easily debug the given program. That's the information they want to compare it to other language. There is no difficulty here. Just you can easily, once you go with the exception handling mechanism, you can easily solve and execute the program. And automatic memory management. It's a point where it supports automatic memory management, which means the memory is cleared and freed automatically. That means you do not have to bother clearing the memory. So for example, you can say automatic. Whenever, for example, you are typing the Python ID x equal to 5 and x equal to 5, y is equal to 10. If you add, it will say 15, 10 plus 5, 15. and later if you want to update, means no need to anything, just you can type x equal to 10, y is equal to 10, it automatically update and print the value of x, y is 10 plus 10 20, like that. It's easily happen. It support the automatic memory management. Then what can you do with Python? So important question. What kind of things you can go with? First one is the web development, and next one is the machine learning and data analysis and scripting, like that. Web development is how, means we can develop the web framework like Django and Flask. These are based on Python only, and also they help to write server side code which helps you manage database, write backend program language, mapping URLs and etc. So these are the current trends or advanced Python concept where you can go and develop the Python applications with the help of web frame like Django and Flask, like that. Then machine learning, so is one of the very demanded and important topic and current trend in the artificial intelligence area. So machine learning means what they want to say means there are many machine learning applications written in Python. This is one beautiful use of Python. And machine learning is a way to write a logic so that the machine can learn and solve a particular problem on its own. And also, for example, we can say a product recommendation websites like Amazon, Flipkart. So all the things are following the concept of machine learning, where machine learning machine learning coding or application written with the Python only, very easy. Then data analysis. The data analysis and data visualization in form of charts can also be developed using. So where I want to find the trends of population or whatever the real time example, we can form the data analysis. Then scripting. So so Python is one of the major and easy scripting language compared to Perl or PHP, like that. Because here the scripting is writing small, that means what? Writing small programs to automate simple tasks such as sending automated response emails. Such type of application can also be written in Python program language. What they want to say? The simple, that means automate simple task, that is sending automated response to the email. So whenever buy product or something, it will get automatically, you will get response mail. Something like your order is placed, and next hour you will get automatically what you feel about the Flipkart or something, will get SMS automatically. These are things scripting with less code written in the Python successfully today. Then Python version. Come to the Python version. Generally the Python have family of 1.0, 2.0, 3.0. Currently 3.0 version going on. So 2.0 still markets some of the real-time applications and some of the companies using. So we are considered 3.0 or 3.x family. And moreover, if you want to go for Python ID, Python install and ID, there are a lot of IDs there. I am considered the latest version of Python ideally, where the version is 3.8. Last year 3.7, now 2020 and last year was 3.80 successfully going on, where it has some of the salient features and advanced Python concept, where it support library, built-in function, etc. So there will be a PyCharm, lot of IDs. PyCharm is a famous one. Python ID also one of the one, because I am concentrated on Python ID is well. And if you are beginner in the if you are beginner in the Python, it's very easy and you can execute easily. Okay, and moreover, now come to the thing, Java version Python. So what kind of things you have to see here? This also supporting OOPS concept. This also supporting Python. But career and salary wise, Java have not much, but Python, who are having knowledge in Python, they have more salaries and they have roles like developer something. But Java, they always mostly get Java developer, Java architecture role only. But here Python, moreover the survey saying in Java, if you are well and good, you may get per annum salary of 4.5 lakh like that, and Python you will get a salary of 6 lakh per annum, like that. So some of the things I want to say here, and more what are things on source code. When you write the file in the Java, for example, you can write public static void and so on to print the word hello, like that. That means 3-4 lines. But Python, and with the help of just a print statement, you can print the word. So just here 4 lines means here just a single line, you can complete everything. And moreover, if you want to, I am saying the real time, so for example the notepad, if you want to enter 2 plus 3 you want to add, means the text file, what you can do, you need support of either calculator or programming. But Python not, there is inbuilt notepad, and it will use as a calculator where you can do 2 plus 3 and enter, you can add. Or else you can give x equal to 2, y is equal to 3, and you can add with the arithmetic operator similar to C language. Within 2 lines you can get. But Java, you think, if you want to addition of programs, what will happen? You have to write the code, data type on and so on. So these are the small drawbacks in the Java and plus point in the Python. So otherwise, salary wise also Python is good, and demand wise also Python is good. and learning. So Java means there will be a difficulties there for learning and the compilation and everything, debugging also. But Python not like that. So you can easily debug, compile, and also integrated development environment there easily you can do, because inbuilt library functions, everything will be there. And wherever compared to Java, in Python learning and catching part of class, inheritance, everything dead easy. Okay, these are the ways of comparing the Java and Python. Moreover, the real time also still Java is going on, and Python also. So but Python slowly grow up. So Java invented in 1995 and etc. But Python developed in 1919. After 2004 like that came to the real time market. Then we come to the last thing, the introduction class only, because top notch companies or website who are following this real time. First one is the YouTube. Today you know everyone know the social media called YouTube and Facebook and Instagram. So these are things, the major support of the website and the top notch companies follow the coding of Python only. And Reddit is one of the social media where the complete code made by the Python. Okay, so I think so it's hopeful that these are understanding about you may understand about and idea about what is Python and why we need Python, what kind of things. And because today artificial intelligence and machine learning all are together play in the important role in the IT or CSC sectors, all are considered and developed with the help of Python only. Python ID, what are the Python ID, PyCharm or whatever, easily. So Python is one of the familiar language without background or technical knowledge, you can easily catch and learn and develop the code easily. Okay, these are points about the these are points I want to convey about you regarding introduction to Python. I hope that everyone can understand this programming language. And thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe and comment and press bell icon for more updates. Thank you.